Finding the right tool for the job can make all the difference, especially when it comes to pliers. Whether you're cutting wires, gripping materials, or tackling tough tasks, the best pliers are essential for getting the job done efficiently. In this video, we'll dive into the top options available today, each designed to handle a variety of jobs with precision and ease. Let's explore the best of the best. KNIPEX COBRA. The KNIPEX COBRA water pump pliers are the ultimate tool for professionals seeking precision, comfort, and durability. These pliers stand out due to their innovative design, which combines ease of use with exceptional gripping power. Despite their compact size, the COBRA pliers offer a versatile range, adjustable with just a push of a button. This means no more time-consuming test adjustments to get the right fit for your workpiece. Simply position, push the button, and close the jaw. The pliers are built with special hardened teeth, offering low wear and reliable gripping, even on the toughest surfaces. The self-locking feature ensures that the jaws stay securely in place, eliminating slipping, and the pinch guard provides additional safety, preventing finger injuries. Another key feature is the 25 adjustment positions, which give you flexibility for different jobs, from plumbing to automotive repairs. The COBRA pliers' box joint design ensures maximum stability, while the thin head design allows for easy access to tight spaces. No need to switch tool. KNIPEX's attention to detail is evident in the high-quality materials, including chrome vanadium electric steel, which ensures long-lasting durability. The one-hand operation feature makes it easy to adjust the pliers in confined spaces, perfect for professionals who need speed and efficiency on the job. In conclusion, the KNIPEX pliers are a must-have tool for any professional looking for reliability, comfort, and exceptional performance. Whether you're tackling large or small tasks, these pliers will meet your demands with ease and precision. CHANNELLOCK Tool Roll. The CHANNELLOCK Tool Roll 3-plier set is a top-tier tool set designed for professionals and amateurs alike. It offers a comprehensive collection of high-performance pliers that excel in durability and versatility. Each tool is made from high-carbon US steel, ensuring strength and longevity for demanding tasks. First, we have the 420 and 430 tongue and groove pliers, which feature laser-hardened teeth for exceptional grip. These pliers are ideal for gripping a range of materials, and their durability ensures they'll last even in tough conditions. Next, the 3017 long-nose pliers are perfect for precision work in tight spaces, providing excellent control for delicate tasks. One standout feature of this set is the 337 XLT diagonal cutting pliers. These pliers are equipped with XLT Extreme leverage technology, which increases cutting power with less effort, making them a go-to tool for cutting wire and small metal components. Additionally, the 528 slip joint pliers offer adjustable positions, allowing you to tackle a variety of jobs with ease. CHANNELLOCK has also made sure this set is easy to carry with its vinyl tool roll that keeps everything organized and accessible. The set's ergonomic vinyl handles ensure comfort during extended use, while the laser-hardened teeth ensure a secure grip every time. For its price, this tool set delivers remarkable quality and performance. Whether you're working on a plumbing project, electrical work, or general repairs, the CHANNELLOCK Tool Roll 3 has you covered with its reliable tools. If you're looking for a durable, versatile set, this is a must-have. CHANNELLOCK Slip Joint Pliers. Next up, we have the CHANNELLOCK Slip Joint Pliers, a tool that's built to tackle various tasks with precision and strength. These pliers are forged from high-carbon US steel, ensuring maximum durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working on pipes, wiring, or general repairs, these pliers offer a serrated jaw design that provides a firm grip on materials, making your work more efficient and reliable. One of the standout features of the CHANNELLOCK 526 is the two-position adjustment, which allows you to adapt the tool to fit different sizes, enhancing its versatility. It's perfect for those jobs that require flexibility in terms of the materials you're working with. The wire-cutting shear further boosts its functionality, making it an all-around tool for various tasks. Whether you're cutting wires or tightening fastener, the PermaLock fastener increases the joint strength, ensuring that these pliers will hold up under heavy use, so you don't have to worry about any failures or wear and tear. The CHANNELLOCK Blue grips are ergonomically designed, offering comfort even during prolonged use, making it a great tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. To top it off, these pliers are 100% made in the USA, offering peace of mind with their superior craftsmanship and quality. The rust-resistant coating ensures they last for years, even when used in damp environments. If you're looking for a durable, reliable, and versatile pair of slip joint pliers, the CHANNELLOCK 526 6-inch is a tool you can trust. Highly recommended. IRWIN VISE-GRIP Diagonal Cutting Pliers. Up next, we're looking at the IRWIN VISE-GRIP Diagonal Cutting Pliers, a must-have tool for any toolbox. These pliers are designed to offer maximum durability and comfort, making them perfect for a wide range of cutting and gripping tasks. Crafted from nickel chromium steel, these pliers provide excellent strength and resistance to wear, ensuring that they'll stand the test of time. What sets these pliers apart is their induction-hardened cutting edge, which stays sharp longer and delivers precise cuts every time. Whether you're working with wires, cables, or soft metals, these pliers will make the job easy. The Pro Touch grips are another standout feature, offering added comfort and reducing hand fatigue. This ergonomic design means you can work for longer periods without discomfort, making these pliers ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. In terms of performance, the machined jaws provide superior gripping strength, ensuring a solid hold on materials, which is crucial for accuracy. These pliers meet or exceed ANSI specifications, guaranteeing they meet industry standards for reliability and quality. Weighing just 0.05 pounds, they are light yet sturdy, and at $9.49, they're an affordable option with a high rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 10,900 users. Whether you're cutting, gripping, or twisting, the IRWIN VISE-GRIP diagonal cutting pliers deliver excellent performance in any task. KLEIN Tools D2139NE Pliers. Introducing the KLEIN Tools pliers, the undisputed champion when it comes to cutting and gripping power. These 9-inch high-leverage side cutters are a game-changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. These pliers boast a high-leverage design which places the rivet closer to the cutting edge, providing 46% greater cutting and gripping power than typical pliers. This design ensures that even the toughest materials are no match for these pliers. The induction-hardened cutting knives offer exceptional durability, ensuring the tool stays sharp for longer, even through extensive use. The cross-hatched knurled jaws ensure a firm grip on any material, allowing you to cut with precision and control. Whether you're working with copper, aluminum, or other soft metals, these pliers get the job done. Comfort and smooth operation are also a priority in the design. The hot riveted joint ensures smooth handling, while the plastic-dipped handles offer both comfort and easy identification. The unique hand-form handles provide a secure and ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. With an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 4,500 reviews, the KLEIN Tools D219NE pliers stand out as a reliable, high-performance tool. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, they are perfect for any professional who demands precision and strength. If you're in the market for pliers that deliver top-notch performance and comfort, the KLEIN Tools D2139NE are the clear winner. No doubt about it.